Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an item to your bag in the Bimba Lola application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and you will see close to that a search bar symbol. Just press on it and here you can write in what kind of item you are looking for example shoes, and let's say you like a shoe here, for example this one. You can press on it, check out the details and everything about it, and if you like the shoe you can just press on select size down below, and after selecting the size that you want, you will be able to put it instantly to the bag. So by selecting the size, essentially you put the item to the bag by default, and if you want to check out the item in the bag, you can just go back to the home page, and now you can look once again at the top of your right corner, and there you will see a 1 number there. Now you can just press on it, wait a little bit, and you will be able to see the item in your bag. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.